welcome back today with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're going to make you something really nice and beautiful Caribbean dish. Well, I have some nice lovely boneless saltfish right here. This is the Jamaican proper boneless saltfish. What we're going to do, we're going to fry it up and we're going to make you a nice lovely wrap. So this one's going to be vegetarian dish, and the name of the dish is Fryup saltfish wrap. It's beautiful, nice. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe, and with this recipe, as I say, you can have it anywhere. You can have it for your breakfast, you can have it for your lunch, you can have it for your evening snack. Anything, guys, gonna be a nice, lovely dish. I want to say enjoy the recipe, and remember one thing: subscribe my YouTube channel, and please put your comments below. After you press that red button, put your comments after, please. Thank you very much. But after, I want to say something to you. I got even some lovely seasoning rich I just prepped. I got some carrot, white onion, spring onion, a piece of lovely fresh thyme, and some garlic and some mixed pepper. You're gonna love this recipe. Enjoy it from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Beautiful recipe. What I want to say to you with the saltfish right here is a boneless saltfish, but three things you can do with your saltfish. You can either put it for 24 hours to soak in some cold water, and you can put on a pot and boil off your saltfish for about roughly 15 minutes. Then run it under some cold water and cool it down. Then you can pick it up just like this. So this one already boiled off. All you need to do is just pick it up just into some small pieces like this. I know you guys are gonna love this recipe. So enjoy the recipe, and remember, right here's the saltfish. I just picked up the saltfish a while ago. I want to say to you, with your saltfish, what you could do, you could boil off your saltfish for 15 minutes into some hot water. You just boil it off for 15 minutes, or you can leave it into some cold water for 24 hours to soak to get rid of that salt. Because you know saltfish is salt, and this is a proper boneless saltfish. But the beauty behind it, we're going to fry it up, and we have some lovely seasoning, and we're going to fry it up, everything, and we're going to put it in the wrap and show you how you can have a lovely evening snack from nice Caribbean and beautiful wrap. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a little bit of olive oil inside of the frying pan, not too much, roughly a spoon of olive oil inside of it. Beautiful. Pre-warm the pot for about 2 minutes, 2 seconds, and when soon as it gets hot, first thing what you're gonna do, I got a fresh piece of thyme. I'm just gonna put it straight inside of it like that. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put in all of those beautiful seasons which we just prepped. I'm gonna go to the details with the season. First of all, I have some carrot. I'm using one small carrot and put it straight inside of it. Then I have some white onion. I use one small onion and I cut it into some small pieces. Then I have lovely some tomato right here with some mixed pepper. Beautiful and nice. Just look at that. That is just beautiful. So I want to say to you, I use the mixed pepper. I use half of each pepper inside of this fried saltfish today for your wrap. So as you can see, looking really nice. I use one small tomato. Beautiful. Look at that. So as you can see, that is just beautiful and nice. And I'm gonna fry it up for about 3 beautiful. I just put up my saltfish into some small pieces. So as you can see, I do it really small because I'm gonna use it inside of the wrap. Beautiful. Then I'm just gonna take my little time and give it a little spin over. Look at that. Beautiful one. I can say, guys, you're gonna love this recipe. That is so simple and easy. Beautiful. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna give it a little bit of color. I'm just gonna put a little bit of ketchup, sweet ketchup inside of it. Not too much, I would say roughly a spoon of ketchup inside of it, just to give it a nice little color. It might give it a little sweetness, but it's not too much. But as you can see, it's looking really nice and beautiful. And this is a proper Jamaican fried saltfish. Enjoy the recipe. I'm just gonna give it around 3 more minutes. Beautiful. Remember, turn on your stove a little bit low, not too high because you don't want it to be burned. Have it on a low flame. Beautiful. And I want to say, not only wrap this can go with, you can go with some lovely Jamaican fried dumpling. You can have it with a nice lovely hard sliced bread, or some rice and peas, or plain rice. You can have it anything when you like with. So as I say, look at this. This take roughly 10 minutes to get it looking beautiful like this. This is a proper Jamaican fry-up saltfish. I want to say, guys, you're going to love this recipe. I want to say, enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel. Now it is finished, I'm just going to turn off my stove and give you the wrap. Beautiful one. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply show you how to do that beautiful saltfish wrap. Just look at that. That is just really nice and beautiful. So as I say, I put the saltfish right there in the wrap. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just going to simply give it a nice little wrap like this. Let's put it just where so you guys can see what is going on at the moment. So this is just a beautiful saltfish wrap. It's a vegetarian dish. I fold it and then I come right here. Then I'm gonna fold this right here, this one right here, and take my little time and fold it right down like this. This is just beautiful and nice. Then what you could do, you could leave it same way, or you can use your knife and cut it into a nice beautiful slide pieces like that. So when you see this, this is just really nice and beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it straight in that plate, that so you guys can see how this looking really nice and beautiful. So look at that. That is a beautiful saltfish wrap. Really nice. No meat, it's straight fish, vegetarian dish. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe my YouTube channel, and please just put your comments below. I know you guys are gonna love this one because there's no meat inside of it. It's just beer veg, and saltfish is really nice and beautiful, especially when you take away the salt from it and leave that. You want a little bit of salt in it, but not too much. That really nice, beautiful taste, and you put a little bit of ketchup inside of it to give it that flavor. So I want to say, you can have this with anything you like. You can have the saltfish with rice and peas, fried dumpling. I want to say, even plain rice, vegetable rice, any kind of rice you like, anything you like, all food, yam and banana and dumpling, you can have it with the saltfish. I want to say, I'm just giving you this idea with a nice, lovely vegetarian wrap. With this wrap, you can simply bring it to work, bring it to anywhere you like, and you can have it for a lovely snack. Enjoy the recipe and subscribe my YouTube channel from Chef Ricardo Recipe. Beautiful one from Chef Ricardo.